one hall downstairs. It's clear up. Let's see.
What about the others now? Any change there? The Winner's experience. Outside of 9.
Good. You've got our invoice, of course.
That's right, yes.
And you want the 4 coins. They're all 1974, actually. Newly minted 1974 coins. So there you are.
Can I ask you why you bought these Krugerrands today?
Well, I've always bought them.
Why?
Well, and it's investment.
How long ago did you start buying them?
About 15 years ago.
Before the big rush now?
Yeah.
And how cheaply did you get them then?
30 rands.
Which is about what?
About £16 in South Africa, that is.
So are you going to cash any of them in soon or not?
Oh, no, not yet. I got them the safe deposit and I'll keep them there.
You'll hold on to them a bit longer? But eventually
Eventually
get your money?
Yes, eventually I will.
Mr. Barbary, to what extent has there been a gold rush? In other words, what has happened to the sale of coins generally?
Well, over the last 4 months, the sale of gold coins has been quite remarkable compared to the same period last year, and running at about probably 10 times last year's levels.
What sort of people are buying coins?
Everybody's buying coins, from the big institutions to the everyday man in the street who's just buying 1 or 2.
And what's their motive? Why are they doing it?
The motive is probably as a speculative hedge against inflation, as gold has been proved traditionally that it holds its value in comparison to paper currencies.
Are people making quick profits or holding on to them?
Well, we do not seem to have had a great number of our customers showing an inclination to sell back just at the moment.
very impressive coin, very beautiful. The arms are very clear. Flawless and a very pretty 40 ducat of 1621.
So, Loeb, how has the market changed in coins over the last year or so?
I think that the easiest way to describe it is that it is now spread so far that where a very small group of very rich men bought the majority of the fine coins, the general public is now very much interested.
Well, a lot of these coins are extremely expensive. I mean, is there a chance for the small investor to get into gold in this way?
Yes, without taking into consideration the 4 ducats or 10 ducats. There are, first of all, the modern coins on the market, which can be bought for as low as 10, 12, 15 pounds. In ancient coins, there are the Byzantines, which start at, say, 120 pounds, where you already buy a very attractive coin. So that the average man who wants to buy a gold coin can.
Likely that Haile Selassie could have some sort of imperial treasure hoard stashed away in Switzerland?
Of course, everything is possible, but personally, I don't believe it.
Even if he had one here, how easy or how difficult would it be for these Ethiopian officials to locate it?
Totally impossible for them to locate anything, even if it were true.
Why is that?
Because Swiss bank secrecy guarantees absolute secret unless there is a criminal charge against the beneficiary of the account.
Would that, if there were a criminal charge against Haile Selassie brought in Ethiopia, would that be sufficient to open the vaults up?
No, it would have to be in accordance with Swiss law, this criminal charge. If it's not a criminal offense against Swiss law, it is very doubtful. In fact, I think it's impossible for the Swiss to open the account.
So the chances of a group of Ethiopian officials actually finding anything if they come to Switzerland are, what, pretty dim?
Personally, I think they're absolutely remote.